What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to qualify for airdrop for Tabi NFT. So this project is bridge between Web 2 to Web 3 through gameplay and NFT, and they're building next generation Web 3 Wonderland. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this post was on May 29 and it says set sail, invite your friends, unlock incredible rewards together, earn airdrop rewards, and then get your free NFT here. So they actually confirmed that there is going to be airdrop. But before I show you the steps, just have to state something. Everything in this video, it's not a financial advice. This is just my personal opinion, and this is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So first thing we need to do, we need to go to tabi.lol, and I'm going to leave all links in the description below, so that way you can just click. And also I'm going to leave my referral link. So if we go here, we'll have to go through step 1, sailor quest. So if you press on it, you'll have to connect your wallet, connect your Discord, then join a Discord, connect your Twitter, follow Tabi and a broadcast. That's basically just retweet one of the tweets, and then you can claim your NFT. So right here, the only thing you'll have to do, you'll have to switch to Binance Smart Chain, and it's gonna switch automatically, and you will need approximately maybe 50 cents to actually claim your NFT here. So once you do that, you go back, then you'll get a green check mark here, and then step 2, invite quest. You just go here, and then you're just gonna copy this link, and this is the one I'm gonna leave in the description below, and just invite at least 3 friends, and then they'll tell you which chest you're gonna get. And you only need, I think, 3 friends. And then if we go back, we need to connect Reddit. So Reddit quest, you just go here and then connect your Reddit, and also you can claim a few more other things from here. And then we go back, then there's also a couple things you can do. If we go to Zale.io, this is not part of the requirement, but if you're gonna get those additional experience points, I'm sure this is gonna give you a better chance of getting airdrop from Tabi project. And if you scroll down, as you can see, there's quite a few quests that you can do. And then the next page, if we go galax.com, same thing right here. There's quite a few things you can do here. Also get better experience and better chance to qualify for this airdrop. And then the last thing is the actual quest. So in here, there's also quite a few things that you can do, and you can earn like some kind of diamonds and possibly NFT. Just press on them and just follow all the steps that you have to do. And this is going to give you a greater chance to qualify for this airdrop. And then if we go back to their main page right here, once you're going to complete all the steps in here, and then you're going to be able to click on this mermaid here and then press on yes. And then there's one more thing you'll have to do: connect your wallet, also authorize your Reddit, and then a few more steps here, and then you can claim this jewel here, and you just press on claim. But with this, you're going to have to actually use ZK Sync to claim this jewel. And this is pretty much it. Mainly you have to do this 3 steps in here to qualify for this airdrop. And all the links I'm gonna leave in the description below, and good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.